Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Yeah, happy Wednesday. Today I'm going to show you how to crimp your hair. This is the better version of the one before. As you can see, I already did all of it. It takes me forever, even though I have thin hair. And I hope you guys, yeah. So let's get started. I already have the last pieces to do. So if I get too close to the camera, I'm sorry. But you take a strand of your hair, a little bit of your hair. Take whatever crimper you have. I have the Conair crimper, and it looks like that, and the ridges are right there. So you do is take it and clamp it all the way on the top, and you hold it for 12 seconds. See how it is? You just take it, and then when you get down here, you're just going to want to take it and get it close to the other crimp. And when you're crimping, you don't want to go straight down like that because it's going to end up messing up these. So you want to just push it up a little bit. See how it's going? And you want to squeeze. You want to squeeze pretty hard down here so you can, you can define it. You can know where to put it again. I don't really have to count. For me, it's a lot faster if I squeeze really, really hard. You can probably see as I'm going. But I like it. Conair is okay. So you guys are gonna ask for it. This is okay. This is alright. But it's okay. I like it. It's not that bad. For me, because I have thin hair. But it's not that bad. If you have thick hair, you want to try to make it to as probably thick as a little bit pretty thin. You want to make it pretty thin. Let me show you on the camera. Squeeze. And you get that pretty look right there. Gotta use a mirror too to watch what I'm doing. See, it's going pretty cute. And then to finish it off is really poofy. So to finish it off, I'm going to put some hairspray. I like garlic fish cheese hairstyle with fruit microwaves full control hairspray all day from Hold Extra Strong. This one right here. This is really good. I like this one. You can leave your hair like this, or just use your comb to break them apart a little bit. Not too much though. You could leave it down like this. It's cute. Probably not as good as in the front. Pretty bad. Or you could take your strands and do something with it. I don't know, do something right now. You could probably put a that's cute. Poof on it. You could put a poof. And for me, I don't like to tease it. I just don't like to tease it. And for me, it's a lot better when I don't tease it, actually. I like it when it's not teased. I can work with it more. It's a lot faster for me, even. See? You can put your hair in the front. And this is cool because a lot of kids do not have this whatsoever. Like, a lot of girls do not have crimpers. You know, you can go to school and, do a different hairstyle instead of having it straight and stuff. It gets kind of boring after a while. For me, it does. Let's see, let's make this video long. Okay. My Conair, I got this for Christmas. I like you guys. I got this for Christmas. My neighbor actually gave it to me down the street. She's a great person. But yeah. So I got what this is. Let me show you what I got. Let's see if I can take these out without burning the crap out of my hands. crap. Alright, I got this, okay? This is how it looks. And it's pretty cool. When it came with this, with this barrel, it's pretty big, not that big, it's like probably 1 inch, it's probably a 1 inch, and it attaches. You can actually just attach it to the thing, and there you go. You could just turn it on and it curls pretty good. I do a tutorial with this one. And the next one, I got this one. It's pretty small. You can just use this one. Honest, you could just use this one and do something, whatever you want to do with the air, you can use this one. Or you could do like waves, you know, like the Taylor Swift waves. I might do one on Taylor Swift too. This one's pretty good too. Let me take things out. They're hard to take out. And of course, I got my crimper one. This is the crimper. It's cool. And also, see if I can get this straight. With it came the straightener. I like it. It's alright. For girls who have thin hair, it's alright. For girls who have thick hair, I don't recommend it. But I recommend it with girls who have thin hair like me. It's really good. I mean, come on. It's not that bad of price. I think it was 30 bucks or 25 bucks for 1 barrel, 2 barrel, 3 barrel, a straightener, and a flat iron. That's really good. I like the price. It works really well. I recommend it for girls who have straight hair, not, like I said, not thick hair. It's probably won't work when you straighten it, but when you crimp it, it's good. I like it overall. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe. Keep YouTubing.